My name is Fortune Kadiwa, and this is Glory Kabango, and this is Chifundo Mwase. These are my group mates, and we were assigned, or we made a project for Blantyre Water Board, which is an automatic water level monitoring system, and also automatic water pumping system and control. So the program or the project is we made the project for Blantyre Region Water Board because we saw that Blantyre Water Board has problems in monitoring the levels of water because it relies on actually sending people to the stations to check the levels of water and also to initiate the pumping action. So that's where we got the problem that Blantyre Water Board has. That's when we decided to make this project. So this is our reservoir tank. It imitates what happens or the systems that Blantyre Water Board has. This is our reservoir tank, and this is a distribution tank. So the tap that is here is actually showing the water that is going to the customers of Blantyre Water Board. So we've got one sensor here that senses the levels of water in the reservoir tank, and we also have another sensor here that senses the water levels in the distribution tank. This is a flow sensor that shows us the amount of water that is being pumped or the amount of water that is flowing into the distribution tanks. This is our panel that we use to control the system. We've got this switch which is used to either initiate automatic action or manual action, and we've got this LED light that tells us that we've got an error or we are at, what can I say, standstill, or we've just got errors. The green LED is there to show us that the pump is on and it is working, and this button here is used to reset the whole system in case of any disturbances. This is a buzzer that is used to notify us that we've got errors in the system. But as we said, we wanted to eradicate the problem of the problem of manually controlling this. That's when we produced this system, which you can control remotely. We've got it. You can use it anywhere, in your laptop or on the phone, like we have it here. We also have it on our phone. So you can control the system using any type of device that you have. So as you can see, we've got our tank here, which is the reservoir tank, and we also have the distribution tank here. This is the pump that shows that we are pumping water, and this is the flow sensor as it is there, and these are like indicators to show us what is happening. So if I may show you that we can control the pumping system. So when we do this, and you see that after I did that, after doing that, you see that we've got our system pumping the water, and it also shows us on the screen here that it is pumping water, as it shows that it is, the water is being pumped. So we've now put it back to manual mode. So that is basically the system that we have. I think the major challenges that we had was in finding the required materials or the best materials for this project, because as we were looking for or procuring the equipment, there were a lot of constraints or problems, because most suppliers were worrying that they don't have the materials because of lack of forex. The other problem was, or the other challenge was that calibrating these things to actually produce the required results is also a very complex task. So it was also another challenge. But I think those were the major challenges that we experienced.
you were to be given some funds, what areas to improve?
I think would improve on the sensors that we are using for it to be very sensitive and very reactive. I think we would also work on the system, the online system, so that it also responds very fast and swiftly. Yes.